Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In this video, we'll be talking about DCA, which means dollar cost averaging. We'll be talking about what it means and how to use it effectively in your investment strategy. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly, regardless of the asset's price. Instead of trying to time the market, DCA helps you spread out your purchases. This way, sometimes you buy when the prices are high, sometimes you buy when they are low, but over time you average out the cost. How can you use DCA effectively in your investment strategy? There are 4 ways you can use DCA effectively in your investment strategy. The first way is to choose your assets wisely. Use DCA for long-term and fundamentally strong investments. DCA works best for assets you believe will grow long-term. It is not well suited for short-term goals or investments. The second way is to set your budget. Decide a fixed amount you can afford to invest regularly without needing it for bills or emergencies. Make it an amount you can afford consistently. The third way is to pick your frequency. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, but weekly and monthly works best because they are more practical. Now the fourth way is to stay consistent. Don't stop DCAing just because prices fall. The power of DCA comes from consistency during both bull and bear markets. Now let's build a dollar cost averaging example using BNB. I'll be using Binance for this illustration. Let's say you want to invest $2,000 in BNB. The first thing you want to do is set your budget and frequency. You can choose to invest $100 daily for 20 days, $500 weekly for 4 weeks, or $500 monthly for 4 months. Just set an amount you can afford consistently. For this illustration, we'll be using $500 weekly for 4 weeks. So on the first week, let's say you invest at the current price on BNB, which is $9.26. and you buy a total of $500, you get 0.539. Then on the second week, let's say the price drops a little to $8.50 and you also buy $500, you get 0.588. Now let's say on the third month it drops a little further to $800. Now $500 gives 0.625, and on the last month the price increases to $1,000 and you get $500 worth also. Now you get $0.5 worth of BNB. So far we've gotten a total of 2.25 BNB for $2,000. The average purchase price becomes $888 per one, which you would have gotten for $9.26 if you had bought it at once on the first week. This is the power of DCA. It turns market volatility from a scary risk into a powerful tool. With DCA, you don't have to worry about entering at the wrong time because you stick to a plan instead of reacting to fear or greed. You can apply this exact same strategy we just used to any other assets you are investing in for the long term. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe for more educative content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.